Before getting started, let me show you a simple example of deep learning model being used. Here we have Whisper, OpenAI model for speech to text. We will use Gradio for creating a simple UI. So usage of Whisper is like this. Import Whisper, model equal to whisper.load model of type base and model.transcribe of audio. Audio can be audio file or numpy array, and we will get the result. Thus, from the result, we will get the text. Simple as that. So let me run this and show you. This code is available here. This PPT will be available in the course. You can download. Link also will be provided. So here we have this collab notebook. We can just run that. Okay, I have already opened it and ran the collab. Just 4 cells. In the last cell, it will deploy one live demo, live UI. We can open that UI. Alright, and here we have this microphone record option. Hello there. Hello there. Let's submit it. So this text is, speech is, oops, did I spoke in Urdu or something? Okay, let me try again. Hello there. Hello there. Okay, let's see. So what's happening is that speech is sent to this collab, and from the collab text is created and it is sent back. There we go.